Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove the lock on a note using the Notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application Notes, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Notes, enter, open up the application. And now, as you can see from the previous tutorial, I did create a tutorial that demonstrated how to create a secure note. In this tutorial, we will be looking to remove the lock from the note itself. So how do we do that? Right click, remove the lock. Now we would have to enter the password, which is the generic password we created, and there we go. If I now click on lock note, it would lock the note itself, but as you can see, there is no lock available for this note. Let's just quit Notes for one moment. Go all the way down to the dock again, go to Launchpad, go to Notes. And there we go. The note itself is now no longer a secure note. It has not been locked. In fact, it has now been unlocked. And so that's how you remove a lock from a note on the Notes application. We can now quit Notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.